Now, the elixir is your saliva, metaphorically. Gather the saliva. Now swallow, breathing in slowly. Make the mudra, sink, hold your breath, contemplate your eternal nature, or contemplate the boundlessness of the cosmos. And one more time. Breath in, swallow the elixir, and contemplate your eternal nature. Exhaling. Now place your hands on your belly, or you could put your thumbs together and place your thumbs in your belly button and your hands on your lower belly. Sink, lengthen, lift, drop, soften, scan the body, soften anywhere you can. And let's just drift here for a moment. Think to yourself, I've just completed 7 precious gestures, which are an exercise in exploring how I can expel that which is no longer needed, both physically and psychologically, attending to things in my life that I have felt were precious, that I was forced by circumstances to let go of, which is an exercise in letting go. Gathering to fill myself with earth and sky. Those are the four preliminary preparations, and then the 3 gestures of finding calm at the center, waiting at the temple gate, and swallowing the elixir of immortality. It is the hero's journey. It is the journey of a conscious person. It's rare for humans to be inclined to cultivate themselves in this way. So this is a really rarefied opportunity. So check in on how you're feeling about that. Not just how are you feeling in your body, and not even just how are you feeling emotionally, but what do you think about the possibility of cultivating greater consciousness in your life? Let your breath be super deep for 2 more deep breaths. And then close. Now, in just a moment, we're going to start over. So find yourself comfortable with your feet together. And this is your opportunity to experience this practice as close to what it would be like to do it on your own, because I'm not going to tell you what to do, and I'm not going to tell you why we're doing it. I'm only going to tell you when we're transitioning to the next one.